email extractor, email verifier, bulk email sender. Guys, today I'm going to show you a method how to extract email addresses from keywords. You can extract highly targeted leads if you want to get leads for your business, if you want to get sales for your products or your services. You have come to the right place. If you do not have any products, you can go over to clickbank.com. You can find all these offers out here. You can see on the screen. You can go and select top offers, new offers, and there are a lot of categories out here where you can go and find different offers in different niches. Okay, so there are thousands of offers in clickbank.com. Okay, so you can see for example, live chat jobs. Okay, so now this is make money online offer where the gravity score, if the gravity score is above 100, that's a great product. Okay, so initial conversion rate and the recurring income. Make sure you choose an offer to get a recurring income. Okay, so this affiliate page, you can go and find all those swipes, email swipes, whether you are doing Facebook ads, everything you can find under this affiliate page. And you know that these offers convert because these are the top offers. Okay, so you can see here gravity 340, it was just 264 above, but 340 means the conversion rate is very, very high. Okay, so you do not have to buy these products. Remember, you just have to promote these products and make money. Okay, you make commission up to 75%. Okay, so now there are lots of offers, high ticket offers you can find on clickbank.com. Okay, so this is the best lead gen software I'm going to talk about. It's about generating leads for your business. For you can sell those leads, you can promote clickbank offers, which I'm just showing you out here. There are a lot of categories out here. Okay, so every product you can think of, you'll get out here. Okay, so for the email swipes, okay, let's go and see the email swipes out here. And because you do not have to write your own emails, okay, so you just have to send these emails and you can make good money. Okay, so all these emails are already done for you, and these have been tested hundreds and hundreds of times, and they are always updated. That means all the new offers, whatever they are offering, they make the new emails. Okay, they write emails, and their copywriters are very, very awesome. Okay, so let's get started and let's extract some emails and let's make money out of this software. Okay, so I'm just typing work at home, because if you are a newbie, just go with the work at home niche. Okay, so this is the best niche because everybody wants to make money online, everybody wants to earn money, everybody wants to be financially free. Okay, you do not want to you do not want to be left behind. Okay, you can choose your location out here. Okay, and you can go and now forget about getting loans or anything like that. Okay, you want to make money and you can make money, but you just have to follow this system. Just watch this video till the end. Okay, so this is the best email extractor software of 2023, and it is also the fastest email extractor software. You can see that the emails are already starting to generate. You can see this is the only software that can extract emails so fast. Okay, it's the best email extractor, and they have 24/7 support. Okay, their email verifier and bulk sender is also awesome. Okay, so you can monitor the emails on the right hand side. You can see out here, you can monitor how much emails has been extracted and all the details out here. Okay, so I'll just stop this extraction process because I do not want to just wait for all those emails. But you can see that 9,000 plus emails has been extracted. Now the next step is to verify those emails. Okay, so let's go and see the next step. But before the verification part comes, just let's get to this emails which we just got. Okay, so this will be your hop link. Okay, now whatever link you are promoting, whatever offer you are promoting, you have to click the promote now button. Okay, so I'll just show you in a while, but before that, let's go to digistore24.com, because sometimes I get emails and messages on my Instagram saying that Clickbank did not accept their registration. Okay, so in that case, if you are not allowed to enter inside Clickbank, if you are not allowed and if you are not approved to create an account on Clickbank, head over to digistore24 and you can just click this promote now button after you log in. Okay, so you just can go and create an account on Digistore. Okay, so back to Clickbank, let's go and type in our nickname. Okay, so now this nickname is the name that you have to give when you are creating a Clickbank account. Okay, you just have to click this create hop link and you'll get this link. Okay, now this link will be tracked back to you. That means every sales happening through this link, you'll make a commission. Okay, so Now in this case, we have just removed all the duplicate emails. Remember, we are extracting emails using the email extractor software, and we are promoting clickbank offers or Digistore24 offers. Okay, now we can just mark it as valid, all these emails, or you can just click the start button to go and start the verification process, which is very, very awesome. Okay, so this tool has the email extractor software, this tool has the email verify tool. Now let's go to the email sender tool. Okay, now this email sender tool is another powerful feature of this software. Everything under one roof, under one software, so that you do not have to worry about buying different softwares. Okay, there are a lot of videos on YouTube just about email extractor, but we do not know what kind of emails are being extracted using those software. But this email extractor software I've been using for quite a while, and I love it. Okay, so now Digistore24 is also similar thing. Okay, there are a lot of niches and sub niches. You can see all these offers out here. It's similar to ClickBank, but they have comparatively lesser offers than ClickBank. But to start with, it's very, very good thing to do, because sometimes you are not approved on ClickBank. Okay, so just check out the cancellation part. You can see the average pricing which they give you, and all the details out here. Okay, just go head over to Digistore24, and this affiliate page or affiliate support page is the page where you can find emails. Okay, so if only the sales page is given, they have not give written any emails for you. Okay, so try and find an offer which has this affiliate page. Okay, so the next part of the software is the bulk email sender part of the software. Okay, so you can choose templates. Okay, there are hundreds of templates which you can use for your emails, but I personally do not use templates because I just like to send regular email. I'll just show you, but you can use it if you want. I just use the regular email right now. You can see on the screen I just remove the default message, and where I let's go back to the emails which we just which we had got. Okay, so this one. Okay, so you can go and let's copy all these emails. Okay, so remember, now I've just shown you a method where you do not have to write any emails. Okay, so the email swipes is already done for you, remember, and these are high converting emails that converts. Okay, so this is one of the best software which you can get to go and just send unlimited emails and make money. Okay, so if you get this software today, I'll also show you a system where you can get hundreds of USA leads every single day. Okay, so but you have to get this software through the link on the description, that is a2wizard.com. okay, so keep watching this video, because I'm just telling you one important thing. Okay, so now remember to always go and change your affiliate links to your nickname. Okay, write your nickname, which I just did, and just copy this nickname. Okay, so after you copy this nickname, what you have to do is, the emails has already been written, and wherever there is written, click here. Okay, so you just have to insert your affiliate link. Okay, so you have to insert your affiliate link out here. I also recommend you guys to make your own landing page, but to start with, you can just direct link in emails, but if you want to use a landing page in between, that's also great. Okay, so we just inserted our affiliate link out here, and let's find another place where we can insert our affiliate link. Okay, so so this looks good. Okay, out here. Now let's change it. Okay, so just go out here, insert, and insert hyperlinks. Remember, there are a lot of features in this email sender software where you can insert images, where you can insert Facebook URLs, etc. Okay, so this is the complete software for your email marketing campaigns. Okay, you can test, you can send, you can schedule, you can add recipients. Okay, so all recipients are already being added out here, which we just extracted. Remember, we just extracted emails for just 1 or 2 minutes, and more than 9,000 emails has been extracted. Okay, so now this is it, guys. This software works, and this software is the best email extractor software of 2023. It's the best email extractor. Email Verifier is the best bulk email sender software, and it has its own SMTP server. Okay, but you can also use your own SMTP server, which I recommend, because of a lot of factors, like you want your emails to reach the inbox. Okay, so if you use a dedicated SMTP server, it will be more of use. Okay, and I'll also show you where to get those dedicated servers. Okay, so guys, I want you guys to take action today. Let this be your best investment ever. Go to a2wizard.com and let's get started. Let's make money together. Thank you very much for watching this video. I take a leave. Bye bye, and see you on my next video.